What if a kitchen spice can fight superbugs? Each year, antibiotic-resistant infections claim lives. Superbugs evolve faster than we create new drugs. But oregano, a common spice, may hold a powerful secret. The results mean? They could change everything. Antibiotics revolutionized medicine. They save lives daily. But we've overused them, creating antibiotic resistance. Bacteria like MRSA survive our strongest drugs, making simple infections deadly. Hospitals become nurseries for these hard-to-treat superbugs. Scientists search for new solutions, often in unexpected places, like our spice racks. Now, let's talk about oregano. This herb is more than a pizza topping. Oregano has a rich history of medicinal use. Its true magic lies in oregano oil, a concentrated extract with potent compounds. The key players are carvacrol and thymol. These agents give oregano its unique aroma and powerful microbial action. While traditional medicine valued it, modern science is starting to investigate. Studies deliver surprising results. Research from Georgetown University found that oregano oil limits staphylococcus growth. A 2019 study pushed boundaries, testing oregano oil on multidrug-resistant bacteria. It neutralized MRSA and even destroyed their protective biofilms. In experiments on mice, applying oregano oil on burn wounds reduced bacteria levels safely. What's more interesting is, bacteria struggle to build resistance to oregano oil, unlike existing antibiotics, which often lose effectiveness. Still, oregano oil isn't an antibiotic replacement. Its real power lies in cooperation. Research shows oregano oil enhances antibiotics' effectiveness. For example, combining it with ciprofloxacin showed improved results against infections. Other studies indicated it helped antibiotics handle resistant E. coli strains. Doctors could potentially use lower antibiotic doses, reducing side effects and resistance development. Oregano oil could be our secret weapon alongside existing treatments. Currently, oregano oil shines in treating skin infections. Research backs its use for wound infections, even superbug cases. But caution is crucial. Most evidence comes from labs and animals. Human trials are lacking to confirm internal infection efficacy. Oregano oil isn't a substitute for prescribed antibiotics. Essential oils are concentrated. Never ingest or apply them undiluted to avoid irritations and toxicity. Oregano oil is nature's intriguing ally. What do you think about combining natural compounds with modern medicine? Share your thoughts in the comments. At Her1 Energetic Advantage, subscribe for more health tips. In conclusion, oregano oil shows exceptional antibacterial promise in lab studies against drug-resistant superbugs. Its potential may lie in enhancing traditional antibiotics, helping them work better and longer. Though not a cure-all or substitute, oregano's example. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for guidance on your health. Bye-bye for now, see you soon.